Hey everyone, it is Donna, and we're going to talk about Lilly Pulitzer today. I hit the sale. They have a twice a year sale, and I jumped online. I bought a few things, and I just wanted to show it to you. Um, we'll start with this outfit. And this is a jacket. There's two pieces to this. Okay. This is a velvet jacket. It's got some ruching at the top of the arm. It's black velvet. It's got the gold zipper, and of course at the bottom it has the Lilly tag. Here's the back of it. This is a size small, and it fits me perfectly. Now, I was lucky enough when I did this. Let me sit down so I can talk to you. I was lucky enough to get the matching pants. You have to get online quickly and buy. So I got the velvet leggings. And here's the little tag to it for Lilly. A black velvet. Okay. There are no pockets or anything on the side. Very, very pretty though. Very soft and fits me perfectly. That's a size small. And I wear a size 4. Then I got this little top. It's a neon pink, but I thought it might be fun when I'm riding bikes. And it has a 3/4 zip, or half zip, I guess. There's the little gold Lilly tag. And this is their athletic wear. Long sleeves. Let me show you the back. When you buy through the sale, you can usually get it a lot cheaper. You're still paying quite a bit, but you can get a discount. And then there's one item I have not opened yet. These came within 2 or 3 days of each other. This just came. And I got this little sweater. I saw this in a store in Harbor Springs, and I thought, gosh, I nearly bought it. And then it came up on the sale. So I thought, I'm glad I didn't buy it. And this is just a summer throw. You just pull it over. It's very soft. It's a light weave. Long sleeve. But this is really, I think will be cute with a little pair of shorts and some sandals. Throw a tank underneath of it. What does it say? Sunny days. So anyway, that's it for the day. I just wanted to show you what came in the mail. I think I've got a couple more things on its way. But, you know, that's for later. Anyway, everybody take care. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.